Class 10 Mathematics Trigonometry. How to get the values of trigonometric functions at different angles. So we'll consider two triangles. First one, a right angle triangle where B is the right angle. So if we will consider the angle A, then BC is the perpendicular and AB is the base. So if angle A is 0, then C will synchronize at B and perpendicular will be 0. So sin 0 is equal to P by H is equal to 0 by H is equal to 0. Sin 0 is equal to 0. Then when C synchronizes at B, hypotenuse and base becomes equal. So cos 0 is equal to B by H is equal to 1 by 1 means 1. Second, you will consider A as 90 degree, then it will move towards B and B, the base will be 0 and hypotenuse will be equal to perpendicular. So sin 90 is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse means 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Sin 90 is equal to 1 and cos 90 is equal to B by H means 0 by hypotenuse is equal to 0. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Then 45 degree. When A is equal to 45 degree, angle C will be 45 degree also. Then hypotenuse will be root 2 with perpendicular and root 2 with the base. Then sin 45 is equal to P by H is equal to P by root 2 P means 1 by root 2. And similarly for cos 45 also, B by H is equal to B by root 2B means 1 by root 2. So we'll get 0 degree, 90 degree and 45 degree values of sin and cos by this triangle. Then in the second triangle, we'll take a equilateral triangle where the sides are A and we'll make a perpendicular from C over AB and CD is the perpendicular and ADC is a right angle triangle. So if we will consider angle A 60 degree, then sin 60 is equal to CD by AC, and by Pythagoras theorem we will find CD is equal to root 3 by 2A like this. So sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2A by A is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is equal to A by 2 by A is equal to half. And in the same way sin 60 is sin 30 is equal to AD by AC or half. A by 2 by A is equal to half. Sin 30 is equal to A by 2 by A is equal to half. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 A by A is equal to root 3 by 2. And in this way we will get the values of sin and cos in different angles. And for 10 we will get sin by cos. So we will get the values of 10, and then for other values we will get the inverse of sin, cos and 10 to get their values.